I don't know why she didn't call you yesterday, because there's two crackheads out here that were basically crackheads, but they're certified fucking electricians. I'm about to call him literally as soon as my phone gets turned on. But just to prove to you, so this ratchet ass inbred hillbilly will leave me the fuck alone. You leave me here over there with...
On September the 28th, 2023, at approximately 4:40 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call of a neighbor dispute revolving around an electric box that was attached to their building. The star of today's show is a woman named Natasha, and she's been on the channel before.
You see me getting dressed? Alright, so I'm putting my pants on. Obviously, I'm about to leave. Calm down there, Mr. Fucking Power Trip. Calm down.
Just get in the car and go.
Miss Natasha has a reputation for not being very good at conflict resolution. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Yeah, we got a call here about a meter being damaged.
If my phone wasn't fucking dead, I'd give it to you. It says ratchet ass fucking no good inbred hillbilly next door, and I'm done dealing with her. It's legally being. You want to come on? Find me some shoes. Come back here. Come on. Huh?
It's not damaged.
Come on, get on the phone. Call Joe now. Don't just crackhead ass bitch. Go get the point. If you don't tell her to leave me the fuck alone after you see this shit, I'm going to beat her ass. I promise my hand to Lord.
Okay, why?
I'm done. This bitch done called social services on me. She done called the police on me 3 times for saying I'm fucking with this fucking box and I'm not. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear her fucking generator up. Legally done. Legally fucking done. I'm doing that.
Whose is the top?
It's off because they took my electric and took my box off. They had 3 boxes. They had 3. You see how this is right here, right? You see how this is right here? See how this is right here? See how this is right here? The box used to be right here.
Yeah.
This was all done yesterday.
Yeah.
Literally fucking yesterday. They haven't even been out here talking to today. Only one was out here today was the certified electrician from the fucking AEP to come out here and inspect it to make sure that the fucking shit is correct.
So who's
a certified electrician from AEP.
I understand.
I'm about to call Joe to give you.
Whose meter is on the bottom?
I don't know. Hers. Because
So you
this
don't
is mine.
have a meter.
I have no meter because I'm not allowed to have a meter because I have to get a certified electrician to come out here and do it, and I just paid $1,300 fucking dollars to get this fuck ass shit done for the fucking AEP guy to come out here this morning while the fucking other guy was out here. I don't know why she didn't call you yesterday because there's 2 crackheads out here that were basically crackheads, but they're certified fucking electricians. I'm about to call him literally as soon as my phone gets turned on. But just to prove to you, so this ratchet ass inbred hillbilly will leave me the fuck alone. You literally hear her over there with a generator right now. She literally has a generator right now because she has no electric. Because she wants to be a deadbeat ass bitch who don't want to pay her fucking bills. Does it look like I can do this? Does it look like I can fucking do this? Does it look like I'm going to stick my fucking hands in there and get electrocuted? Does it look like it?
I think that you just need to calm down some.
No, because I'm tired. This is the third time.
But when you're out here,
this is the 3rd time. I want her to hear me. I want her to hear me.
But the problem is when you're making threats and stuff.
But they're not threats. I'm tired. I'm tired of being harassed. You understand what I'm going through? My dad literally just died 4 fucking days ago, okay? I'm a fucking mental wreck right now. My fucking house don't have no electric. I've had no electric for 4 fucking months because I don't want to do this shit illegally. So I've had no electric for 4 fucking months. I have no fucking phone because my phones are fucking dead. She has no fucking electric because Joe turned it off in her name because she was letting the fucking crackheads next door fucking pay $30 fucking a week to fucking run electricity, and she ran his fucking electricity up to the fucking max. So he cut her electric. So he cut the electric off to her fucking house, and now she's fucking mad, and she's calling the city of Columbus because she's getting a fucking evicted, and I got my fucking rent paid. She literally said the day she got her the day she got her eviction notice. She literally said, "Oh, because they got their rent paid, that means you're evicting me now." No, bitch, you pay your rent, you don't get evicted. The fuck, you pay your rent, you don't get evicted. It's not somebody else's fault. I'm not the reason why she's not paying her bills.
What is your name?
My name is Natasha Irwin.
Okay, Natasha, take a deep breath.
I'm tired. There is no deep breath. I've had y'all at my house twice today.
Okay.
Twice today I've had y'all at my house. Twice today. One because of some inbred ass fucking burrito ass fucking retarded fucking Mexican that didn't even have license to be here, but yeah, she's calling the police to my fucking house. Then I got this inbred hillbilly next door continuously calling the cops on me. She literally just called Children's Services on me and told them I'm beating my fucking kids. I'm done. Tell this bitch to stop harassing me before I fucking harass her. I'm done. It's not a threat. I will call Children's Services. I will call the dog pound. I will call whoever the fuck I need to call to get this bitch to leave me alone. Either you're going to do your job or I'm going to do your job today. I'm done. Make her leave me alone. Does it look like I'm doing this? Does it look like I'm doing this? Please come back around because I'm about to call the landlord.
And what would
Please
my
come back around.
job be?
What is it?
What would my job be?
My job is to tell this bitch, this inbred hillbilly, to stop harassing me. Tell your people to leave me alone. This shit is done legally, bro. It's legally. She mad because she has no electric. Tell her to leave me alone. Tell her to stop calling Children's Services on me. To stop calling me. I understand hillbillies like police, but I don't. And I'm tired of having them here in my house. So you tell her to please leave me alone before I start reacting. So if she wants me to react,
You already
please.
reacted.
No. When I
Let's
didn't
go,
react,
let's go.
when I didn't
I'm
react,
done. He listened
when I
to me.
didn't react, she put her hands on me, and y'all did nothing. Y'all did nothing but who? Playing Tasha. And I'm tired of y'all playing Tasha. Tasha's not doing anything. Tasha's not doing hands. Tasha is not doing hands. Tasha's literally doing things. Tasha is not doing hands. I just want this inbred, worthless, hillbilly ass mom to leave me alone. Call Joe. Go! You're the only one just spelling right there. Go to me, Braylee. It's Braylee.
I'm not leaving yet.
Apologies, I have to run a generator because she destroyed the meter and I can't get the electric on. But the meter happened on the 18th. What happened today has nothing to do with her. So yesterday, due to the meter being destroyed, he paid electricians to come out here and fix the meter, and they cut my internet and my cable and all my cords back there. I really think it's retaliation against my landlord, and this is what I'm dealing with every day. It's every day they're either busting out my windows.
Who cut it?
Either her or the electrician.
Or it was the electrician people.
Because they're the only two that were out there.
Because it's her and the landlord who keep calling people out here to illegally hook up the electric.
Yeah,
now that's why
illegally
we have a generator, because
And
we were
can't
trying to
get
get
our
ours on the
electric
right way and got screwed because of it. Because now it's all under investigation and won't turn anybody's power on.
That's what they said.
So
I'm here with
that's
6
where we're
children.
at.
Oh, something I didn't even do.
Now,
I'm a victim
about
of
the
all
internet, I used to run IT, so it's probably easier for me to explain it to you than her. There are two lines that run from the main line. Okay? This one that comes from this house that's on the corner, that's intact. If that was the case, it wouldn't take that long for my modem to boot up, and the DSUS wouldn't be blinking. Okay, so it's a coaxial issue.
It's ridiculous. It's
The
unbelievable.
line in the back, the main line that she was out there barking about, whatever she was telling me, where they hooked up everything else back there,
Okay, you don't need cosigners. Come on.
it's cut
Come on,
right
you
where
gotta
it's
get cleaned up
round,
from
right in the
spaghetti.
same spot that the line is downstairs, so
You
that
need
whole
your bus
check.
changed.
I ran the line.
What's the cable company say?
Breeze line. I haven't got hold of it yet. But it's hard to get through because you got like a 8-minute automated thing before you can actually get somebody. So the only thing they're going to do, they're going to want to know how it happened. They're going to have to come out and replace it.
Yeah, all I can do is take a report because
That's
we have
for
no
me to
idea.
give them.
We have no
Now,
idea.
all I need is that a report that it was done, so that when I
Because we're
go
going
to
to
court,
court anyway.
I
So
have proof that this is what I'm dealing
we
with.
were told
This
by
window
other
right here was busted out. 2 windows upstairs were busted out. They stole my weed eater, my lawnmower.
That's all separate though.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, this is what I just, yeah. So
What-
the whole police report.
So we
just
basically
to
told
save
how many cops that
myself.
have come over here in the last few weeks just to
Yeah.
report documentation.
Just keep
So that's what we're
reporting.
doing.
That's all I'm doing. Trying to report it for court. I don't know if it was her or the electrician, but they were the only two out there, and it happened yesterday.
Okay, who wants to be the complainant?
Me.
Which-
It's all, this
what is your
house.
name?
Alicia Fluff. ALISHA. FAUGHT.
Phone number.
I have also trespassed her out of my yard, and she won't stay out of it.
That's a hard thing to do when you live in.
No, my lease
So-
says that this is my half, and
But
I
she
had
wasn't.
this argument.
She hasn't been in the yard since I've been here.
Right.
Okay, what's the address here?
It's 1986. Yeah, but when I catch her in the yard, by the time you guys get out here, it's, well, she's not out here, we don't see her.
Yeah, she's just mad.
It just won't stop. How did my window get busted? She won't in my yard.
Yeah, she's all wound up right now.
It's every day.
What's your birthday?
My kids try to jump me. I've been trying to get her last name so I could get a hold of getting the last cop told me to get a protection order against her. So I was trying to get my landlord to give me her information so I could do that, but he's not trying. He's on her side.
Sorry, 81 Common.
So with him being on her side, since the court just gave him a bunch of money,
81.
he don't want to do nothing to help me out. Because I'm refusing him to give him the rent until we go to court for the eviction and I can fight the
Yeah,
case.
81. Can I get my incident number?
She's literally on an ankle monitor for the same thing that I'm going through right now with her from the last people that lived here. She stabbed the girl.
Is
Yeah.
that 756?
And this is what I gotta live through. And every time I go outside, I'm in fear that she's gonna try to stab me.
Thank you. All her information will be in this report.
Awesome.
I would imagine it's in the other ones too.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. So just the cable line is potentially damaged. We
And
don't
my
know.
meter box, but yeah.
Well, that's. I don't know what the deal is with that because it looks like you guys have a meter in there.
No, they fixed it yesterday and
Yeah.
cut my cord fixing it.
Cut your cable, your
Yeah,
power.
they did it yesterday.
Your power is cut.
They cut all of it yesterday fixing my meter box. That's how all this happened today. Because I couldn't figure out what was going on, so I was like, man,
They
let me
probably
go
can't
check.
turn it on.
Huh?
I wonder if they can't turn it on since the other one's missing. I don't know. That would be an electrician.
Yeah,
Or
that's
you have to
what-
talk to the city about
Right,
that.
and they were out today and they'll be back out tomorrow. So,
Okay.
I mean, I'm doing all the right things.
We
The
appreciate
biggest
it, man.
problem I
I
have
hate
is
calling
the
you guys out
fear.
here for stupidness. but-
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the fear I have of every time I stick up for myself and call you guys, I have to fight with us for days.
No, I get it. I get it.
So-
Okay, thanks, guys.
Thank you.